guys, this is a very... Shuku, do you want to come here? Okay, so this is a very unusual start to the vlog. We are actually leaving for my cousin's wedding, which is in Rajasthan, Bharatpur, and I'm really excited. Sugar is not happy because we're leaving you. Sugar, no, we won't leave you alone. Sugar को संभालने के लिए कोई यहाँ पर होगा. She won't be alone, and everyone, Princess Blush, कोई भी अकेला नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. We'll have someone over, and leaving for 2 days. Today is 7th. It's 6:51 right now. We have to leave in another 15 minutes, which is not gonna happen. I know. जब भी हम सारे लोग साथ में जा रहे होते हैं तो हमेशा लेट हो जाते हैं. Dad is ready, जो कि हमेशा होता है. Almost सबसे पहले वो ready हो जाते हैं. मेरा I just got done with my stuff. I just packed it right now. Now that you're back, I don't know. I have so much to say. You must have seen the previous vlog in which I showed you guys my glow up, which went wrong. And please don't be like me and take proper precautions and proper care. Yeah, we're leaving. So she's my bua's daughter. Literally grown up together, and I'm really excited for her wedding. It's gonna be amazing. We're all gonna be together, all the buas and everyone. So really looking forward to that. Lots of masti. Just stay tuned for everything. It's gonna be mad. And I'll show you guys how I pack and how I travel and everything. Okay, I need some coffee. Wait a second. Okay, so the plan is maximum I think we'll leave by 7:30ish, and we'll reach there 3.5 hours लगते हैं I think सुबह if you leave. So we'll reach there by 11:30ish, and the mehendi function starts by 12:30. So we'll only have 1 hour to get ready, which is very exciting. You can see the mess behind. Declothing in the house. Oh, she's been working really hard, and वो रात को भी सारा pack कर रही थी. Okay, I need some coffee. I got this coffee अभी रात को 24/7 से because I love coffee and I was really sleepy. I haven't slept at all, not for a single minute. But really happy कि मैंने सब almost सब pack हो चुका है, and I'm not really tense about my looks or jewelry. I wore everything right now, and I do this every time. Pro tip: if you're packing a lot of stuff and you have lots of functions and आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो, different outfits आप पहन के उसके साथ jewelry पहन के एक picture click कर लो, so that मैं भूल जाती हूँ इसलिए मैं लेती हूँ. I don't know और कोई करता है कि नहीं, but I keep this in my phone whenever I have to look for the jewelry, and सब कुछ mix हो जाता है क्योंकि. So okay, bless you. Okay guys, so this is our packing room for now, and we have loads of stuff here as you guys can see. Can you spot Blush? Blush you. Okay, we have everything here, and mom हमेशा मुझे बोलते हैं packing cubes रखने के लिए so that it's easier and सब कुछ साथ में होता है. And we have Diksha's outfit here जो कि अभी she has to try इसलिए ऊपर ऐसे ही पड़ा है. And we have hair extensions which I'm going to try I think for the second time or first time, I don't remember, but we have everything packed here. Shoes, some dressing gowns, bags, etc which I showed you guys. Let's change now. Also, if you've seen the previous I can't speak, I'm so sorry. If you've seen the previous vlog, my skin is so much better, and I can't even tell you what all I've used. Please check the previous vlog to know the story and what actually happened to my face. Okay, so I'm wearing this neck piece by Tribe by Amrapali, and this is what it looks like. The vibe is okay. I think I need to just add some earrings and I'm good to go. Before that, I'm gonna use some serum on my hair using this one by L'Oreal. मैं खड़ी थी ना जब सारे लगेज के साथ, ऐसा लगा था कोई बच्चा घूम गया किसी का. तेरे को हमेशा मैं ऐसी ही लगती हूँ, बच्चा घूम गया. Okay, dad is in the car. Papa, mama. Hello. Guys, we have a situation here. We have so many bags, and look at this. ये adjustment हो रही है यहाँ पर. बच्चा, छोटा बच्चा. बर्थडे है कल किसी का. टन टन. We have arrived. लड़की वालों की तरफ से. हम लड़की वालों की तरफ से. दीक्षा, we have arrived. हमारा टूरिस्ट रेडी है. अरे हमारी फॉरनर यहाँ नहीं जाना, शादी करनी है. We have arrived. दीक्षा तो आंखें बंद करके चली जा रही है. ये रहा. It's open. Oh, pretty. Room tour time. Quick room tour. We have 2 beds and we have this colorful wall here. Hana? Which you can't properly see. Colorful curtains and windows and yeah. Then we have a desk here. Curtains की वजह से लग रहा है. And yes, that's it, guys. This is a pretty cute room. No, wait for it. This is me. Then we have this washroom here. Dun-dun-dun. Pretty. And that's a quick room tour. We have to get ready and in half an hour. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is the first part and इसमें हम ज़्यादा travel कर रहे हैं. हम वहाँ पहुँचे थे and I showed you guys my room and everything and I was getting ready for Mehndi function which was the first function. Also ये vlog already इतना लंबा हो गया था इसलिए मैंने इसको 2 parts में divide कर दिया. The second vlog will go live day after tomorrow and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you and if you like the video make sure you like, subscribe and share and yeah, that would mean the world to me. Thank you. Bye guys.